You know what they don't tell you about swans? They're assholes. No, seriously, they're the worst. Everyone's all, oh, they're so elegant, so graceful. But have you ever seen one up close, in your face, ready to rip your hand off only because you dared to feed it a crust of bread? When I was a kid, I thought swans are like fairy tales come to life. My grandma, bless her heart, would take him to the park, where the swans glide across the pond like little ballerinas in their white tutus. So delicate, so serene. Until one day, I got too close. I was holding this crust of bread, like it was some kind of peace offering, thinking, this one eye, we're about to have a moment, a magical, Disney approved moment. But no, what I got was straight out of a horror movie. It came at me, wings spread wide, and its eyes, oh god, its eyes were dead black, like it was channeling something ancient and pissed off. I was this close to losing a finger on my whole hand. My grandmother laughed, like it was some kind of life lesson. You've learned something today, she said, all wise and knowing. And you know what? I did learn something. I learned that the beauty is bullshit. Or at least it's complicated. You see something pretty, something that looks like it wouldn't hurt a fly. So assume it's safe, but it's not. Because underneath, there's a beak sharp enough to draw blood, wings strong enough to break bones. Isn't that the way of the world? The things we're drawn to, the things we want so badly, they're the ones that could hurt us the most. And we keep going back, don't we? We can't help ourselves. Because maybe, just maybe, the danger is part of the appeal. And I wonder if we're all a little like that. All feathers and grace on the outside, but underneath, there's something else. Something raw, something wild. So, yeah, swans are assholes. Maybe that's the point. Maybe that's what makes us, what makes life so damn beautiful. That at any moment, we could be one or the other.